Looking for a high-capacity, oil-free popcorn production solution? Meet the natural popcorn production line C250 from Zirve Extrusion, engineered for stable, continuous industrial performance. Popcorn-grade kernels are processed through an advanced air popping system, where heated air generated by natural gas, or LPG, triggers efficient, oil-free popping. This technology helps produce a clean, natural final product with consistent popping quality and minimal waste. The line integrates every key stage of production, from feeding and popping to cooling, seasoning, and final packaging. All food contact parts are manufactured from 304 stainless steel for durability, hygiene, and long-term reliability. With a production capacity of 250 kilograms per hour, optimized gas consumption, and reliable continuous operation, the C250 is built for industrial efficiency. Upgrade your factory with a fully automated popcorn line designed for quality, stability, and performance. Contact us now to get full specifications and a quotation.